Hello friend, this is Arif. Welcome back to my natural studio again. And the very absent things. And today I'm very upset because I don't practice English for a long time front of the camera. So why? I'm feeling very upset. I'm feeling some fever and cold with the disease. I'm feeling that's the another problem. And the main problem is long time I don't make the video. That's why my mouth is not quite easy. It's not quite easy. So today I have to make it quite easy, because if I continue that, my life will be finished. So I will not be able to speak after that. So that's why today I have to exercise. And when you will feel upset, so how you will remove your shyness, how you will remove your laziness, how you'll remove. And today I will try to show you. And you have to action like that. Yes, I can do it. Yes, I will do it. Every day I will do it. And when you will do that, when you will shake your body like that, right now I'm shaking my body in front of the camera. I'm trying to recharge again. And when your mobile phone charge will be finished, that time you charge your mobile phone, right? But when your motivation will be finished, what do you have to do? What do you have to do for coming back your motivation? So you have to work for yourself. So nobody will not work for you. When you will ask for everyone, they will not give the suggestion, right suggestion, exactly right suggestion they will not give to you. So you have to solve your everything. Thus you have to shake your body with the positive activity. Yes, I will do it. Yes, I have to do it. If I don't do it, so I will not be able to perfect in my life. My time is going on. This is the right time. This is the high time. When I will change my life, when I will change my English. So I have to work for that. So that's why today, right now, I'm fasting. Then I thought that, yeah, if I don't remove my shyness, fasting, no problem. But I can shake my body for enjoying myself. Even without learning English, when you will do any work, when you will feel very upset, when you will feel very hesitation, or will feel very disappointed, if you shake your body with the positive activity, with the positive action, that time you will feel very changed. You will feel motivation. So that's why I have a suggestion for you. So shake your body like that with the positive activity. This is possible for me. So why I'm doing late? I don't have to late. And also you can do something positive activity in the morning after getting up. I don't have time in the morning right now. I have to go to the school, and after coming back, then I have to teach some student. That's why I don't have time. That's why I can't make video properly for you, my dear viewers, my guys. That's my problem. But I have a wish. I have a burning desire. Yeah, I have to make video. Then I can make the video. But I think you have the time. You have the proper time. If you have the free time. So free time, why are you not using your free time? Tell me, bro. Tell me. Use your free time and try to say something in front of the camera. It will be changed. Believe me, it will be changed. Believe me. Only camera is the partner for you. Only camera is the real friend for you. Those will stay with you all time. If you have the friends, sometimes your friend will not stay with you. I'm feeling this problem all the time. So that's why I have a suggestion for you. Try to give some time in front of the camera. Set up some things for saying in front of the camera. You can say easy things. You can talk about mango. You can talk about lychee, fruit, jackfruit, apple, anything. Mango is the king of the fruit. I like mango very much. I love to eat mango. Even in this Ramadan month, I love to eat after iftar, the mango especially. And also I like to drink the mango juice. You can say like that, bro. So never feel hesitation. see one thing, that is when I was just trying to make the video in front of the camera, I was feeling very upset and laziness. But when I'm trying to say in front of the camera right now, I'm feeling very, very easy, very, very motivation, very, very attractive with myself. Even I'm fasting, no problem. Try to change yourself. So I'll see you very soon with another video like that. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.